a food truck.
Hey, what can I get you?
What's good here?
The tacos are the best.
Tacos. How many in one?
3 tacos in a plate.
3. Okay, 1 plate.
Chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
Spicy or mild?
Mild. I can't do spicy.
No problem. Any drink?
A cold water, please.
Smart. It's hot today.
Very hot, yes.
That's $9.
9. Here you are.
Grab a napkin. They're messy.
Messy?
Very messy, but tasty.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here you go. Careful, it's hot.
It smells amazing. Thank you.
Enjoy. Come back soon.
I will, for sure.
At the butcher.
Morning. What can I get you?
Some chicken, please.
Sure. How much?
For 4 people.
Okay, a big piece then.
Yes, it's for dinner.
A special dinner.
My family visits tonight.
How nice. This is fresh.
Perfect. How much is it?
8 pounds.
8. Okay, that's fine.
Anything else?
Some sausages too.
How many?
Maybe 6 sausages.
6 it is. They're the best.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
Okay, I believe you.
That's 12 pounds altogether.
12. Here you are.
Enjoy your family dinner.
Thank you. See you next week.
Ordering a smoothie.
Hi. Hot day, right?
Yes, so hot.
A smoothie will help.
Yes, please.
Which fruit do you like?
Mango and banana?
Great mix. Any milk?
What kind do you have?
Normal milk or coconut?
Coconut sounds nice.
Good choice. Small or large?
Large, please. I'm thirsty.
Any extra? Honey, maybe?
Yes, a little honey.
Coming right up.
Thank you. How much?
$6.
6. Here you are.
1 minute. It's fresh.
Fresh? Perfect.
Here you go. Try it.
It's so good.
Told you.
Yes, you were right.
At the travel agency.
Hi. Planning a holiday?
Yes, somewhere warm.
Perfect. Beach or city?
A beach, please.
Lovely. For how long?
1 week.
How about Spain?
Spain? Oh, I love Spain.
Great beaches there.
How much is it?
500 pounds.
500.
That includes the hotel.
Oh, the hotel too?
Yes, and the flights.
Flights too? That's good.
When do you want to go?
Next month?
Let me check. 1 moment.
Thank you. Take your time.
Yes, there's space.
Perfect. I need a break.
You'll love it.
I can't wait.
Ordering sushi.
Hi. Table for 2?
Just 1, please.
Sure. Here's the menu.
Thank you. It's my first time.
Oh, welcome. Any questions?
What do you suggest?
The salmon rolls are popular.
Salmon rolls. Is it raw?
Yes, but very fresh.
Raw fish. A little scary.
Try one. You'll like it.
Okay, I'll be brave.
Chopsticks or a fork?
Laughing. A fork, please.
No problem. Any drink?
Green tea, please.
Great choice. Coming soon.
Thank you. I'm nervous but excited.
You'll be fine.
How do I eat it?
One bite all together.
One bite? Okay.
Enjoy the adventure.
Buying a watch.
Hi. Looking for a watch?
Yes, a simple one.
Sure. For you or a gift?
For me.
This one is nice and simple.
Oh, yes, I like it.
Silver or gold?
Silver, please.
Good choice. Try it on.
It's a bit loose.
I can make it smaller.
Oh, good. Thank you.
There. Better?
Yes, perfect fit.
It's waterproof too.
Waterproof? Even for swimming?
Yes, even swimming.
Great. I swim a lot.
That's 50 pounds.
50. Okay, that's fine.
It comes with a box.
A box. Nice. Thank you.
Enjoy your new watch.
I will. Thanks a lot.
At the laundromat.
Hi. Need some help?
Yes, I'm confused.
No worries. First time?
Yes. Which machine?
This one is free.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Put your clothes inside.
Okay. Done.
Now add the soap here.
How much soap?
Just one small cup.
1 cup. Okay.
It costs $3.
3. I have coins.
Perfect. Put them here.
Now, does it start?
Yes. Press the green button.
Oh, it's working.
It takes 30 minutes.
30 minutes. I'll wait.
There's a cafe next door.
A cafe? Perfect. Thank you.
Anytime. Enjoy your coffee.
I will. You saved me.
At the ferry terminal.
Hi. Where are you going?
To France, please.
One way or return?
Return, please.
For how many people?
Just me. One person.
Any car or on foot?
On foot. No car.
Okay. The next ferry is at 2.
2 o'clock. Good.
That's 30 pounds.
30. Here you are.
Here's your ticket. Keep it safe.
I will. Which gate?
Gate 2 over there.
Gate 2. Okay.
Boarding starts at 1:30.
1:30. That's soon.
You have plenty of time.
Oh, good. Thank you.
The sea is calm today.
Calm? Perfect. I get seasick.
Then you're lucky today.
Yes, very lucky. At the cheese shop.
Hello. Looking for cheese?
Yes, but I don't know which.
No problem. Soft or hard?
What's the difference?
Soft cheese is creamy.
Creamy. I like that.
Try this one. It's lovely.
Oh, thank you. It's delicious.
Good, isn't it?
Yes, I'll take some.
How much? A big piece?
A small piece.
Perfect for one person.
Yes, just for me.
Anything else?
What goes with it?
Crackers and grapes.
Great idea. Some crackers, too.
That's 7 pounds.
7. Here you are.
Enjoy your little feast.
A feast for one.
The best kind.
Buying concert tickets. Hi. Which concert?
The one on Saturday.
The rock band? Great choice.
Yes, I love them.
How many tickets?
2, please.
Near the stage or the back?
How much is near?
Near is $80 each.
80? Oh, too much.
The back is 40 each.
40. Okay, the back.
Good choice. 2 tickets.
How long is the show?
About 2 hours.
2 hours? Amazing!
Doors open at 7.
Doors open at 7. Okay,
Come early. It gets busy.
we will. Thank you.
Here are your tickets. Have fun.
Thank you. I can't wait.
It'll be a great night.
Getting keys cut.
Hi, how can I help?
I need a new key.
Sure. Do you have the old one?
Yes, here it is.
A house key. Easy.
How long does it take?
Just 5 minutes.
Only 5? Great.
How many copies?
2, please.
2 copies. No problem.
Thank you. Take your time.
1 moment.
Okay.
Here you go. All done.
Wow, that was fast.
Try them first to be safe.
Good idea. I'll check tonight.
That's £6.
6, here you are.
If they don't work, come back.
Thank you. So helpful.
No problem at all.
At the tailor.
Hello, how can I help?
My trousers are too long.
I see. Let me look.
Can you make them shorter?
Of course. Put them on.
Okay, 1 minute.
Good. Stand up straight.
Like this?
Perfect. Here is fine?
A little shorter, please.
Here?
Yes, perfect.
Okay. I'll pin it now.
Thank you. How long?
Ready by Friday.
Friday. Good.
That's £10.
10. Okay, that's fine.
Pay when you collect.
Oh, good.
Here's your ticket. Don't lose it.
I always lose things.
Then keep it very safe.
I'll try.
Buying a plant.
Hi, looking for a plant?
Yes, for my kitchen.
Nice. Is there lots of light?
Not really.
Then this plant is perfect.
It needs little light?
Yes, and little water too.
Oh, good. I forget to water.
This one forgives you.
How often do I water it?
Once a week is fine.
Once a week. I can do that.
It grows slowly, don't worry.
Good. I'm not a gardener.
You will be soon.
How much is it?
$8.
8. Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Here's a small pot too.
A pot. Thank you.
Give it a name.
A name? Okay. Lucky.
Perfect name.
Ordering tea at a tier.
Good afternoon. Table for 1?
Yes, please.
Lovely. Here's the menu.
Thank you. So many teas.
We have many. Any favorite?
Just normal tea.
English breakfast. Perfect choice.
With milk, please.
Of course. Anything to eat?
What's a scone?
A small cake with jam.
Oh, that sounds nice.
They're warm and fresh.
Yes. 1 scone, please.
Jam and cream?
Both, please.
Good idea.
How much is everything?
£8.
8. Okay, that's fine.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. I can't wait.
Enjoy your afternoon tea.
So English. I love it.
At the aquarium.
Hi, welcome to the aquarium.
Hi, 2 tickets, please.
2 adults?
1 adult, 1 child.
How old is the child?
He's 5.
Kids under 6 are free.
Free? Oh, great.
So 1 ticket, $12.
12. Here you are.
Here's your map.
Thank you. Where are the sharks?
The sharks are downstairs.
Downstairs? He'll love that.
The big tank is amazing.
Is there a show?
Yes, the fish feeding at 3.
3 o'clock. We'll be there.
Don't tap the glass, please.
We won't, I promise.
Enjoy the fish.
Thank you. So exciting.
Watch out for the octopus.
Ooh, I'm a little scared.
At the pet shop.
Hi, how can I help?
I want a fish.
A fish. Great first pet.
Yes, easy to keep.
Very easy. Which color?
The orange one.
Good choice. It's friendly.
A friendly fish?
Very friendly.
What does it eat?
This food, once a day.
Once a day. Okay.
Don't feed it too much.
Too much is bad?
Yes, just a little.
Okay, just a little.
You need a bowl too.
A bowl. Yes, please.
This one is perfect.
How much is everything?
$15.
15. Here you are.
Take good care of it.
I will. Thank you.
At the theater box office.
Good evening. Can I help?
Yes. Tickets for tonight.
The play at 7?
Yes, that one.
How many tickets?
2, please.
Front or back?
Which is better?
The front, but it costs more.
How much is the front?
£40 each.
40. Oh,
The back is 20.
20. Okay, the back.
Good seats, still.
Great. Thank you.
The play is 2 hours.
2 hours. Any break?
Yes, a short break in the middle.
Good. Perfect.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy.
Where do we sit?
An usher will help you.
Oh, thank you.
At the ski rental.
Hi, renting skis today?
Yes, my first time.
Fun! Don't worry, it's easy.
Easy? I hope so.
What's your shoe size?
Size 10.
Great. Here are your boots.
They feel very tight.
Ski boots are always tight.
Oh, okay, good.
Now your skis.
Are they hard to use?
A little, but you'll learn.
I hope I don't fall.
Everyone falls at first.
Oh, great.
Take a lesson. It really helps.
A lesson. Good idea.
The class starts at 10.
10 o'clock. I'll be there.
Here's a helmet, too.
Thank you. Safety first.
Exactly. Have fun out there.
Thanks. Wish me luck.